Today we're going to be tying up one of my favorite variations of a dirty hipster. Now for starters, we're going to use some tan thread and secure that to our hook shank. Snip the excess free and wrap back up towards the head of our fly. We'll secure the bead in place using some lead-free wire, helicopter it free, and wrap back towards the bend of our hook. Here we can build up a small thread dam. Grab some brown biots. We'll snip off two and place the tips splaying outwards in our fingers. Measure that out to be about half or a hook shank in length, whatever you prefer, and transfer that measurement to the back of our fly. Make sure you're happy with the results and then secure the rest of the biot towards the head of our fly. Once complete, we'll snip the excess free. Grab some copper wire. I'm using a size brassy. Secure that to the hook and wrap back towards our biot tail. Once complete, we will grab some brown hare's ear dubbing, create a dubbing noodle, and begin building up a body of our fly. And once complete, we can grab our brassy wire and start counter-wrapping that up the fly until we reach our thread. Once here, we will secure by taping wraps both in front and behind and helicoptering free. Next up, we will grab a strand of flashaboo. We're going to secure that just behind the head of our fly and wrap back slightly onto our dubbing. Next, we will grab a small piece of thin skin, here I'm using clear, and secure that over our flashaboo. With those in place, we will grab some silicone legs, attach those just behind the head of our fly, and secure them tightly. Next, we will snip to length. I like mine to be a bit longer than the body of the fly. Grab some more brown hare's ear, and we will use this dubbing to help move our legs to face the proper direction. Take your time with this as you wrap up towards the head. Make sure the legs splay out properly. And once you reach the head of the fly, you can brush everything back, secure it in place, fold over the thin skin and flashaboo, and secure tightly. Once complete, we can snip those free, pull back our silicone legs, and whip finish to keep everything in place. Snip your thread free and add some UV resin to the back of this fly. This will both increase the durability of our fly, but also its visibility and the shine that we get from our flashaboo. This is an excellent trout fly. It sinks quickly, has a great profile, and the legs provide a lot of movement in the water. If you don't tie yourself and would like to try some out, you can go visit my website listed down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.